Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial will teach you how to create your first program, the Hello World program. It will also teach you how to compile and debug that program using the compiler Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0, which is a part of the Microsoft Visual Studio suite. This is a commercial program, but there are many free compilers out there that can do anything this program can do. Just do a Google search for C++ compilers and you'll find heaps of them. The first thing we have to do is open up Microsoft Visual C++ 6.0, and then once we're there, before we can start coding our program, we have to create a workspace. The easiest way for me to do this is to create a new document under the File menu, and then we'll save that document onto the desktop, which is where I want to save it at the moment, as Hello World .cpp, which is a C++ file extension. We save that, then we click on the compile button, or go up to build and then compile hello world.c++, and then this is where it will ask you to create a workspace. Click on yes, and now we're ready to start coding our program. The first thing we have to do is include the file iostream, and then we can start our main function, and we specify the main to have an integer return value, which we'll see later on. Opening brace, and then this is the line where we use to output the text hello world. We use a cout function to output the text hello world. And then this is where we return a value. On a successful completion of a program, we return the value 0. So that's what we'll do here. And then we end the function and program with the ending brace. We go up to compile. This is where we see if we've made any errors. There's 0 errors and 0 warnings, so that's good. We can go ahead and compile it by pressing on the red exclamation mark there. We click that. Then it'll come up with the console window of our program, and it'll then execute our program. And as you can see, it's got hello world there. Pressing the key to continue. And an example of debugging was if we created a error in the program by not having the closing brace, and then we clicked on compile, it would come up with one error. And then if we scrolled up, it would show that it was on line 7, which is that line there, and a fatal error has occurred, and it's an unexpected end of file found right there. So to fix this, we put the closing brace there, we compile it again, 0 errors and 0 warnings, execute it, and there you go, hello world, press any key to continue, there you go. And that's how you create your first program in Microsoft Visual Studio C++. There you go.